Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 2nd of July, 2024. After posting strong gains in the previous session, the market traded range-bound throughout the session on July 2nd, with Nifty crossing 24,200 for the first time ever. At close, the Sensex was down 34.74 points or 0.04% at 79,441.45, and the Nifty was down 18.2 points or 0.08% at 24,123.80. Top Nifty gainers were L&T, Wipro, Infosys, HDFC Bank and TCS, while losers were Shriram Finance, Bharti Airtel, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Tata Motors, and IndusInd Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of NORA India soared 20% to hit an upper circuit of 2007.6 rupees apiece on July 2nd after it bagged an order worth 38.71 rupees crore from Nuclear Power Corporation of India for refurbishment of 4 seawater electrochlorination systems. Italy-based NORA company supplies technology for production of chlorine, caustic soda, and derivatives for the chlor-alkali industry. It also helps in installation and operation of electrodes, the electrical conductors used to run electrochemical processes. In an exchange filing, the company stated that they have to supply 12 assembled C-chlor electrolyzers for CS fabricated skid complete with FRP or GRS junction box. They will also dismantle, install, commission for set of electrolyzers and skid supplied to Nuclear Power Corporation of India. The supply is estimated to be complete within 24 months from the date of procurement order. Shares of GODREJ Properties rallied over 5% to touch new all-time high of 3,337.8 rupees per share on July 2nd after it sold over 2,000 homes worth over 3,150 rupees crore at the launch of its project GODREJ Woodscapes in Bengaluru, Karnataka. So far this year, the stock of this realty major skyrocketed over 65% as compared to 10% rise in the benchmark Nifty 50 index. At the Whitefield Budija Cross property in Bengaluru, GODREJ Properties sold over 3.4 million square feet of project area, marking its most successful quarter launch in terms of both value and volume. This achievement represents the 6th project across 4 different cities in the past year to achieve inventory sales exceeding 2,000 rupees crore at launch. The success of GODREJ Woodscapes has driven over 500% quarter-on-quarter sales growth for GODREJ Properties in Bengaluru, surpassing its full-year financial year 2024 sales in South India within the first quarter. Earlier, GODREJ Properties achieved substantial sales figures with various projects. For instance, GODREJ Jardinier in Sector 146 Noida surpassed 2,000 rupees crore in sales during Quarter 1, financial year 2025. DCX Systems share price touched 52-week high of 440 rupees in the early trade on July 2nd after the company received an order worth 1,250 rupees crore from L&T Asain and Tubro has awarded a contract to manufacture and supply of electronic modules within 3 years. In the month of June, the company received purchase order for supply of cable and wire harness assemblies of RS-32 2087-939. The company offers strategic defense and aerospace electronic solutions such as array of cable and wire harnesses and having complete setup for environment and electrical testing. The share price gained 55% in the last 3 months. Shares of Angel One fell as much as 8% on July 2nd following the Securities and Exchanges Board of India's new circular that revised market intermediary charge mechanism. The news also tipped off a massive spike in volumes in the counter as 18 lakh shares changed hands on the exchanges so far, significantly higher than the 1-month daily traded average of 5 lakh shares. SEBI's new circular stated that market infrastructure institutions, MIS, like stock exchanges and clearing corporations should not give discounts based on turnovers. Currently, MIS such as exchanges and depositories levy transaction charges and depository fees on brokers using a slab-wise structure. Brokers, in turn, charge their customers using a similar slab-wise structure. However, the timing of these charges differs as brokers generally recover these charges from end clients on a daily basis, while MIS receive the aggregate charges from members on a monthly basis. Consequently, the total charges collected by brokers from end clients are higher than the charges paid to MIS at the end of the month due to the slab benefit. GM Breweries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 796.40 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 3.382 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 676.86, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.63. Niman Agri-Genetics Limited in daily time frame is trading around 299.25 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 128.4 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 233.71, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.45. Basilic Fly Studio Limited in daily time frame is trading around 528.75 points with a change of 19.24% and is trading with a net volume of around 637.2 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 432.05, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 78.14. For the stock recommendation we have, GODREJ Properties Limited looks good and can be bought at 3,302 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 3,232 rupees and a target of 3,398 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.